Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can cancel refund request on Cash App. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. For that, simply go ahead, open up your Cash App, and then afterwards tap on this option of profile icon given on top right corner. Upon doing that, you will find your profile detail, and in the bottom you will also access this refund request that you have initiated. Go ahead, tap on it. Once you have done that, you're gonna find this kind of interface where you will be able to check out your refund request, and on top tap on this three dot icon, and then you will have this option of view profile, cash app support, and close. Apparently there is no direct option to right away cancel it. You have to contact Cash App support. So for that, simply tap on this Cash App support option, and then here you will be able to see this kind of interface. Now all you're going to do is tap on this option of chat with support, and go ahead, write it down that you need to cancel this refund request and this is the issue, etc. Go ahead, explain it pretty well and send them. They will let you know what further you have to do to solve your problem, and that is the only way available. So that's how you can do it. Hope this video was helpful to y'all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.